Today in this video, we will learn about vegetative versus generative reproduction. Let's compare, starting from vegetative first.
Vegetative reproduction. Reproduction in which male and female gametes do not fuse, as they do in generative reproduction. Vegetative reproduction is divided into two. First, natural vegetative reproduction, mostly found in herbaceous and woody plants, and involves structural modification of the parts of the parent body. Examples: 1. Rhizome is a modified underground stem serving as an organ of vegetative reproduction. For example, ginger, galangal, and turmeric. 2. Runners or stolon are important reproduction organ in strawberry, numerous grasses, and some ferns. Stolon spread above the ground. 3. Adventitious buds form on root near the ground surface or on damaged stem. Species that characteristically reproduce using adventitious buds include elm, dandelion, and many members of rose. Plants like onion, yanchik, narcissus, and tulips reproduce by dividing their underground bulbs into more bulbs. Potatoes and dahlia reproduce by involving underground tuber. Gladioli and crocuses reproduce in a similar way with scalp.
Artificial vegetative reproduction. A number of vegetative methods are utilized which are usually enhancement of natural process, including cutting, grafting, breeding, layering, division, and tissue cloning. Generative reproduction. Process of combining the different genetic material resulting to offspring that share similar traits with their parents, but are genetically diverse. Flower plants reproduce by pollination. For pollination to occur, pollen grains must attach to the stigma of the female reproductive structure, where the female gametoids are located inside the ovary.
2. Fern. Ferns produce spores. The spores are released and germinate to produce gametoids. The gametoids produce both sperm in the antheridia and eggshell in spread archegonia. After rains or when deep deposit a film of water, the sperm is splashed away from the antheridia and swim in the film of water to the archegonia, where they fertilize the egg.
Pyrobids, which include liverworts, hornworts, and mosses. They are small plants found growing in moist locations, and like ferns, have motile span with flagella and need water to facilitate reproduction.
Vegetative and generative has some difference. The first difference is the vegetative only have one parents, while generative has two parents. 2. Vegetative is from parts of the parent, and generative is from fusion of male and female gametes. And last difference, vegetative is same as the parent, and generative is varies or combination of both parents. Vegetative and generative reproduction also have similarities. Both vegetative and generative reproduction will produce new individual. and the individual tails will be in the same species as the parent.
Okay guys, hopefully this video will be beneficial for us. And don't forget, the conclusion of this video is vegetative reproduction produces new individuals without the fusion of gametes, which genetically identical to the parent plants and each other. While generative reproduction produces offspring by the fusion of gametes and resulting in offspring genetically different from the parent plant. And most importantly, both produces offspring for the survival of the species, so they will not become extinct. Okay, that's enough for our video. So thank you for watching.